Lisa here, good morning. This is the Road to VA Life. Salamat sa pag-join. And for this episode, I'm going to be very vulnerable. I'm actually a bit nervous because I'm going to share kung nganong naabot ko diri, kung nganong nag-VA ko, and why I would not trade my work from home life for anything else. Kahit sa tinuray lang, pwede man ko mag-abroad, pwede ko mag-corporate, bisan unsa palain nga trabaho, pwede yun. But I'm choosing to work from home so that I can be with my kids while still earning a living, di ba? Kaya mo man ay point sa pag-work from home. So I have 3 kids. As of the time that I am recording this video, my kids are ages 12, 7, and 4. All of them are boys. Ang ilahang papa is in heaven. So ni-pass away na ko ang husband. He was an architect. Maayo kayo siya mo drawing. And then, mo aquascape pud siya. Daghan kayo siya aquariums. Katong buhi pa siya. Unya, iyang himuan og design ang mga balay sa isda. He was also addicted to Dota 2. Grabe, magbuntagay to siya og gaming. So, 2022 siya gikuha sa Ginoo. He earned his angel wings back in August 2022. Our youngest was barely a year old at the time when he passed away. Wala gali siya nakakita sa among youngest nga anak nga ni take sa iyang first steps. So, guol kayo iyang pagkapanaw. Anak. He died of kidney failure, but prior to that, he had other illnesses too affecting his heart and his lungs. So, he was already going through a lot of pain sa iyang lawas prior to sa iyang pagka-pass away. So at some point, bisan unsaon ninyo og pangutang para makapatambal, bisan unsaon ninyo og pangadji pod, if naka-decide na ang Ginoo nga game over na imuhang life. Game over na gyud. Wala kay mahimo. Naka-decide naman ang Ginoo. But unfortunately, dili pa man game over sa mga tawo nga nahabilin. When he passed away, I became the only parent my kids have left. So ako na lang ang nahabilin nga mupadako sa among mga anak. Unya, daghan wala kasabot nako ato nga time, even karon daghan pud wala kasabot og mo criticize nako, but the resounding echo of the unfulfilled responsibilities of my late husband now became the daily flag ceremony music sa akong adlaw-adlaw. So moy kadamata nako, moy akong hunang-hunaon na ay mga unfulfilled responsibilities that I have to now fulfill on my own. Okay? Now, I could go abroad para maka-earn more. Di ba mo man gyud dayon mag-OFW, no? But am I going to leave my 3 kids? No. Now, another option is I could work in an office and take a corporate job. I could go to work and commute every day. Pwede. But is the time I spend sitting in traffic the best way I spend my hours? No. Also, nagkamahal gyud ang gasolina. So, magpatubil ka, 500 usara gyud ka baghis sa imuhang meter. So, dili sa gyud siya worth it. But I needed more money kay, daghan utang, bayranan, bills, and daily expenses. Kay tuloy akong anak ha. And if you are a single parent with 1 child, you already know unsa na nakalisod. What more when you have 3 kids and inherited debts from a departed loved one. But take note, dili ko victim ha. I refuse to see myself that way. Dili ko biktima, and I am just angry and at the same time thankful nga buhi pa ko. Kay ang pinaka-worst nga mahitabo is ma-deads pud ko. And my kids will end up paying the unsettled debts nga actually ang kato siya nga utang was taken up by myself and my husband as a joint nga utang tungod kay spouse man mi, di ba? So kaming duha ato moy kuan ni agree to take on those debts. And if I also pass away, I cannot let my kids suffer nga sila na moy magtiwas og bayad sa utang. Okay? It is wrong to pass on debt to your children. Sayop gyud. So if I can help it, I will make more money and find a career where there is no ceiling to what I can earn. Kanang walay max cap ba? So maura yun na siya mo'y way nga masulbad ni na kong problema ha. And now that I am a virtual assistant, freelancer, napo ko'y consulting clients, if I need more money, I'll just find a way to work for more clients, di ba? I will build systems, I will provide consulting packages, more consulting packages, and also sell digital products kay nindot gyud siya nga passive income. So the hustle is real, tinuod gyud ang pag-hustle kung ginikanan ka unya naa kay gibuhi. Okay, so shout out sa mga byuda o byudo out there. Dili gyud lalim no. If you are not a byudo or a byuda, wala ka kasabot sa kaning ingon aning emotion, it's good. You are swerte. It's good because it means wala pa mo kasuway nga nawagtangan og partner. Ana lang. So if you have a husband, a wife, or partner, right now, pasalamat sa Ginoo. Make sure you take care of each other. Ha? And the reason why I wanted to release this episode is actually for my eldest son. He is fondly called Manoy by his 2 younger brothers. Truthfully, he is the man of the house now. He became the man of the house automatically when God made his father an angel. So pag ana sa Ginoo nga kanang kwaon na niya, ako ang husband, himo niyang angel, ang ni step up 8 years old pa at the time, ako ang eldest nga anak. Siya ni step up as man of the house. And as the man of the house, I could not be prouder of him. Kay one time, tingbayad na sa mga bills, no? There was a couple of months nga naglisod ko og fit sa akong available funds with the demands of our daily needs and the loan payments na magdungan og due. Wala na ko kaagwanta ato kung nibangon ko sayo sa buntag and I went to our kitchen and then I cried. Tunihila ko. Kanang dili na nimo mapungan gyud imuhang luha ba. But little did I know, nakadungog di ay ako ang eldest. So, si Manoy Z, nibangon po doon niya, nangutana. Mama, why are you crying? Tana siya. Pero di ba kung parent ka, supposedly, dili man nimo ipa-feel sa imong anak nga naglisod na ka, di ba? Pero kato nga time, I decided to just be honest. And I said, anak, nag-uo lang si mama kay daghan bayro nun. Unya, nag-figure out pa ko asa akong i-prioritize. But it's okay. I can find a solution. I'll figure it out. Yan na ko niya. So, and then I asked him, you want to go back to sleep? Kay kadlawon pa ba to? Pero, si Manoy Z, wala mo tubag. Ano siya, nilakaw ra siya. Unya, giablihan niya iyang school bag, o gikuha niya iyang wallet. This was the wallet that I got him for his birthday. Sa pen shop to nako. Gipalit. And he was so happy ato kay naa na siya wallet. Kasudlan niya sa iyang money. Giablihan niya iyang wallet. Ana siya nga, Mama, I have 560 pesos. I saved this up. Can we use this to pay? At the time, naulian naman ta ko. Nga nagstorya mi ni Manoy ba, pero nakahilak ko usab. But I had to keep my composure, guys. Di ko pwede nga maghilak-hilak kay na ako'y client meeting atong adlaw kay kadlawon man tong nagstorya mi sa akong eldest. Unya 7 a.m. on that day na ako'y video call nga naka-schedule with a client. So kung maghilak-hilak ko, baga gyud ang ako ang eye bags. So to avoid that, pugong gyud ko og hilak. So ako na lang gigakos ang akong anak and I told him, anak, keep your money, you saved up for that. By the way, what are you saving up for? Makuryoso po ta ba? Nagtigo man siya. Ano siya, nag-save daw siya kay mupalit siya Nintendo Switch. My goodness, pagkaliwata sa amahan kay gamer po akong anak. Pero mahal-mahal yun ang Nintendo Switch. Sige lang, at least naninguha siya og save ba. Even daw layo pa sa tinuod na maimpas nako tanan utang. And also layo pa sa tinuod nga makapalit ni og Nintendo Switch. Padayon lang ang first son. Padayon lang yun nga morning makapangisog ta, magsige hapon ta pangitag new clients, magsige hapon ta apply, magsige hapon ta og upskill, di ba? Unya magsige hapon ta kanang develop og mga bag-o nga digital products or courses para maka-income ta samtang nag-help pod sa uban nga aspiring virtual assistants, di ba? Kay kung gustuhon nimo nga maka-income, pwede gyud. Kung gusto may paraan. Kung ayaw, tapulan. Walay makapugong nimo gawa sa imong kaugalingon kung mubati ka og katapol. Wala. But speaking to all parents and breadwinner nga VAs, wala tay kapoy nga ma-feel. Like kung tinuuray gyud ka nga gusto maninguha, dili kay ka maka-feel og kapoy. Wala kay poy-poy, walay panghinayang. Kadawat kag rejection email, way panghinayang. Uy, tagaan kag erratic nga duty hours. Alibi, diri ngita ang katag trabaho. If you have clients nga nay attitude, okay ra. We will deal with those. Walay kapoy. Ngano man nga walay kapoy. Because the last thing that I want for my kids is to inherit the debts that I am now paying for. So by hook or by crook, impaso ni nako tanan. And I will teach my kids financial discipline and money management, street smart, no? Kay wala man gitudlo sa school. So obligasyon nimo as parent to teach your kids how to manage their financial resources, ilang mga abot, ilang allowance or ilang any form of money nga ilahang madawat, maybe gifts gikan sa ilang mga aunties o uncles, to manage that well. And tudluan pud nako sila og pamaligya kay the skill of sales, ang pagpamaligya, sus, very halinon kaayo. No, most of all they will learn from me na ang lisod worth gyud siya buhaton if para sa imong pamilya. So, pangutana, lisod ba gyud ang VA life? Lisod ba gyud? Yes, it is hard. Kay imuha tanan lihok. Sometimes, you get a client who assigns you everything. Hectic hours, short lead times, yan na pag yung attitude. But the perks, you get to be with your kids. You are present in your family. You don't have to commute. Okay, work from home man. So, dili ka mo mag-anto sa traffic, di ka mag-anto sa mahal na nga per liter sa gasolina. And then, as long as naalay kuryente o internet, buhi ang negosyo. Buhi ang atong pagpangita og pamugas. And it's not all bad mampod yun, actually. Naay parts nga lisod, pero daghan po kayong perks, just like the ones that I enumerated. And you also get amazing clients. clients who genuinely care about your family and your health. They see your dedication and they are generous pod nga mga clients, okay? Best of all, they refer you to their friends so you can earn more. Kay na mga iyon nga clients nga impressed kaayo sila sa imuhang trabaho, that they would tell the world what an amazing virtual assistant you are. And if you are open to accepting more clients, the referrals will naturally come to you. Diba? So, whatever your why is, kung anong nag-VA ka, unsay imong rason, maski unsa pa na kabugat imuhang gipasan, ayaw hunong, ha? Because quitting is not an option if you have people depending on you. Saon man, breadwinner man ta. Pasalamat ko nga naa pa ko ron. Gitagaan ko, kinabuhi pa sa Ginoo, gipamata pa ko niya pagbuntag because I have an opportunity to show my kids what it is like in the road to VA life when you own your time, when you can have freedom kung asa ka mag-work. Kaya technically, dili man yung ka necessary adto lang yun sa balay, work from home. Kaya if you have a laptop, kung mobile ka, pwede man ka makatrabaho sa coffee shop or pwede ka magtrabaho sa sakyanan or sa kantin sa eskwelahan sa imuhang anak while naghuwat nila nga mamuhi sa school, di ba? So you have the time and the place, mobility nga dili mahatag sa corporate job or if you had a job as an OFW. Ngarira na nimo ma-experience if you are a virtual assistant. Okay? So if you want to give this career a try, kung gusto ka mag-freelancing, give it a try. Just take the step to your road to VA life and then see what difference it will make on your life and the lives of your children. Okay? So at the time of recording this video, I have 11 subscribers. I'm hoping that mahimo ng 11 kay kung subscribe man ka, di ba? Unya, kung dili pa ka virtual assistant now and you want to learn how to take a step forward in the VA career, na ako'y free nga bootcamp. Tanawa lang sa akong profile, naara dito ang link para mo register. The bootcamp is free, by the way, walay bayad. I just want to share my knowledge, akong mga experience to also to prepare you and also warn you of the pitfalls sa pagka-virtual assistant. And I'm hoping you will thrive in your career as a virtual assistant with the least nga hurdles, especially sa sugod. Okay? So I hope to see you in the bootcamp and also that you will click the subscribe button kay para managhan kung akong subscribers, guys. Okay? I hope this video helped. If you have a friend who could use the information that I shared in this video, go ahead and share. Salamat sa pagpaminaw. I will see you in the next episode.